Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to make your picture blurry on Picsart by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Picsart application, and then we are on the page already. And to start a new project, just click the plus button, and now you can choose which picture that you want to edit. You can choose the shortcuts that provide by CapCut here. If you cannot find your picture on the shortcuts, you just need to click see all to access all of the picture on your gallery or device. For me, I want to do with this picture, so I already have these photos on my project. To make it blurry, just go into the effects in this bottom line here, and after that please go into the blur section, and now you can choose which blur effect that you want to add into the picture. So there will be a lot of blur. This is quite blurry. This is the facial zoom, so you can adjusting which one or which part that you want to focus to. There will be a radial blur too, so you can also adjusting to which part you want to make it focused. And there will also pixelize and many more. For me, I want to do a facial zoom, so I will zoom into the specific part, into this person. And we also can adjusting the hardness of the blurry. If you drag it into the right side, so it will make the blur section is quite blurry or hard. And for the size, you can make it smaller or bigger. If you drag it into the left side, so you will make a smaller size or smaller area for to focus to. And the blurry, you also can adjust it. If you want to make it quite blur, you can drag into the right side, but if you want to less blur, you can drag into the left side. Okay, and after you finish adjusting, you just need to click apply in this bottom. Okay, and after you finish, you just need to download it. And now the photos is already saved into your device. And that's all for today's tutorial. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.